In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB drive so that you can use it to install Windows 11 on a computer. So first thing you want to do is go to any browser. You can go to a browser of your choice and then simply go to Windows 11. Just search Windows 11, download, put that in search, and you want to go to the official Microsoft website to find your Windows 11 download. So here it is. Click on that. And just make sure you're downloading this from the official Microsoft website. So just go to that page. And on this page, we're basically looking for the disk image, okay, for Windows 11. So you want to scroll down to this section, come here and then select download, and then select the Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for 64-bit devices. That's the one we want, okay? Now, if you want to install or if you're looking for the ARM version, you want to click on this little link here. But since we want this version, just select it and then go ahead and click on confirm. So that should prompt the download to begin. It says select the product language. You can see the time and language right there. Make sure you choose English. So let's find English, United States. That's what I'm going to choose and then click on confirm. And then now it's validating our request. All you have to do now is click on this 64-bit download button or link. That's going to start downloading the 64-bit version for Windows 11 in English, and it's an ISO file. So just wait for that to finish up. Let's go ahead and open a new tab and let's look for Rufus. Rufus is a tool we're going to use to create our bootable Windows 11 USB drive. So I'm going to go and search Rufus. And for the results, you're looking for rufus.ie. That's the official website for Rufus. So this is it. This is what Rufus looks like. So you want to scroll down and find the download options. Now, since we have a 64-bit Windows computer that we're using right now, and we want the standard version of Rufus, I'm just going to click on the first download option, and that's going to download Rufus. So now we can navigate to the downloads folder and find Rufus. And let's go ahead and launch Rufus. So I'm going to double click on it and confirm that. Then now once Rufus is up and running, I'm just going to go ahead and minimize that so we can clearly see Rufus. Now here is my USB flash drive. Now take note of the letter which represents your USB flash drive so that you don't end up formatting the wrong drive. And if you have multiple USB drives connected to your computer, just go ahead and unplug them and remain with the only one that you want to use. And then here under boot selection, make sure it says disk or ISO image, and then click on select, and then let's select our ISO image for Windows, which we downloaded earlier. So here's mine. I'm going to select it and then click on open. Now, once everything is ready, we're looking for a standard Windows installation. The partition scheme should be GPT. Don't touch anything there. The volume label is right there, as you can see. File system, I suggest just leave everything as is and then scroll down and click on start to start the process. Now you may or may not see a pop-up window telling you to customize your Windows installation. For instance, the option to remove requirements for secure boot and all that. And then you have the option to remove requirement for an online Microsoft account. So you could enable or disable this. It's up to you, really. So personally, I'm just going to go in and check everything and then click OK. Then it's going to give you a warning that this will erase everything on your USB flash drive. But of course, you already expected that. So click OK. It's going to format the flash drive and then start creating your Windows 11 bootable flash drive. So once it's done, it will show you that it's done by saying ready here. And all you have to do now is close this application and your USB flash drive is ready. You can now plug it into another computer and use it to install Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.